whilst there's plenty of cool JSON features in 12.2 and 18C, people tended to get a bit frustrated when, if I just want some JSON reflecting some table data, well, man, I've got some typing to do. To get all the columns listed, I've got to put them into a JSON object clause, and finally when I've typed all that stuff in, then I can finally get my data. Surely there's an easier way, because that's still 14 rows. If I want to get it as a single JSON fragment, then I've even got to type in an array aggregation around it. And once again, lots of typing to get that nice, simple JSON structure. In 19C, we've done some improvements. The cool thing is now is I can just pass an asterisk in, and there's my JSON rows. And similarly, wrap it with JSON array ag to get it as a single array. One extra nice touch in 19C is I can take that and actually wrap it in a new JSON serialize function, which gives me the option of returning it as something, as you can see, that's quite pretty. And there we go, 19C JSON features, just taking the existing cool tech and making it that little bit better. See you soon.